Hey guys, it is Keitha from Homemade Lux, and I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Joy Ornament string art project. First, you're going to take the stain that's included in your craft kit from Homemade Lux and just paint that wood plaque. Then you're going to use a little tape and tape the template that we've provided in the kit as well. And you're going to go ahead and hammer. It tells you exactly where to put every single nail with the little dots there on your template. So just go ahead and hammer away, making sure that you move your plaque around. You can also use pliers to help you hold these nails. If the nails are those little cute gold nails, you can use a little pliers if you need help holding it while you hammer. But just go ahead and hammer away around here, and in the meantime I'll tell you a little bit about Homemade Lux. I created Homemade Lux in 2016 to help women find time to craft again. In each craft kit you'll find all the materials for a really custom home decor project like this one. So I hope you enjoy. Once you've got all the nails in, you go ahead and carefully remove the template. This, depending, just around the places where there's tons of nails, this could take a while, but just take your time and get all that paper out of there and just remove as much as you can. Okay, now that you've got all that paper out of there, I'm gonna go ahead and take your white embroidery floss and just go ahead and make a little knot, and then tie it around one of the nails. Doesn't matter where you start, just start in a place that makes sense for you. And then go ahead and just start wrapping the next nail and the next nail and the next nail. Now, I suggest going in the same direction the whole time, if that makes sense. So if you're wrapping around the right side of the nail, just make sure you are wrapping around the right side of the nail the whole time. I hope that makes a little bit of sense. But I'm just gonna go around and just keep going, and then I'll come back the other way to kind of make it a double around each nail, on each side of each nail. So this is the fun part, very relaxing. You might need to use your finger to hold that thread down on top of the nail like this while you're going around the second time, just to make sure it doesn't unravel on you, and keep it taut, so which means just keep it pretty tight as you're going along. You don't want it too tight to where it'll pop, but you do want it to be nice and taut so your thread doesn't become loose. So as you can see, I went in one direction going one way, and then I'm just going to go the other direction, so that around each nail there's like a double line. That just makes this project look much more pronounced and professional looking. you've got the outline of the top of the ornament done here, and then you're going to use the red embroidery floss to fill in your actual ornament ball part of it. So here we are outlining, and then next we will fill in. So you still need to outline your ball, but you're definitely going to fill in with the red around that actual ornament. And here we are. This is kind of the hardest part, guys, doing that the words joy, because you really need to keep your fingers on there. There are tight spaces, and if you want to make this project easier on yourself, you can spread out your nails as much as possible, and that will, you know, make it a lot easier to get around each corner and do this project. But it is so worth it, guys. So worth it. So I hope you enjoyed crafting with me today. This Joy Ornament project is available on homemadelux.com, but you can find all these materials at your home goods store if you want to, and just create something today. Bye, guys.